Hey, what's going on there, YouTube? I got here a video about a slave revolt from an Apple factory, an iPhone factory in India, and it happens probably not in China as much, but right here, this video is by a man named Eli the Computer Guy, and he does not do political videos. I believe he voted for Joe Biden, but he has completely flipped on Joe Biden and all these liberal SJWs and stuff in his more recent videos because he's been living up north in Baltimore and all the policies have been hitting him. So we're going to check out a video of his message to Tim Cook and Apple, and we're going to see what he thinks about the people that he voted for and how they're affecting his life. So let's check it out here.
What you notice is that they're talking about the violence, and they're not talking about how it appears that Apple may have been paying workers $6.80 per month. The tagline here, the secondary title here, does not talk about how engineers came in expecting a whopping $300 a month, and then it was going down to $150 a month. What you notice here, what they're emphasizing is the damage and therefore the punishment. The SP said the police have collected CCTV footage and will soon be arresting some suspects. That's right. That's right. Tim Cook. When those Indian suspects are arrested by the Indian police, I'm going to ask you a question. How fucking polite do you think those Indian police are going to be? Have you seen an Indian police with one of those rattan or whatever the hell bats they've got? How fucking polite do you think those Indian police are going to be to the protesters? Tim Cook. I'm just wondering. Tim Cook, are you going to protect the rights of the workers that were producing the iPhones that appear 2,000 of these workers were so pissed off they ransacked a factory? Are you going to protect the rights of those Indians? Are you going to verify that they are not injured, that they are not killed, right? That they do not have significant damage to themselves because they were protesting the slavery that you were creating? Tim Cook, I want to hear this. I want to hear this from a proud gay man in the United States that stands for Black Lives Matter. Do you stand for fucking Indians? And if you don't fucking stand for Indians, shut the fuck up forever. Take your fucking blood money, get your fucking yacht, and shut your fucking mouth. Because this is what pisses me off with these people to the fucking core of my being. Right? They sit there and any goddamn thing they can slap their fucking logo to and pretend to be good people. But at the end of the day, and again, I really want you to think about this. What do you think is going to happen to the Indians that are arrested for what happened in that plant? Do you think those Indian police officers are going to be ever so polite? Do you think the Indian prison and criminal justice system is going to be ever so polite? Or do you think there's going to be a whole bunch of Indians that get fucking bludgeoned in the head as they are arrested by the police officers, and that Tim Cook will not give a crap because they are not the right identity? Right? Black lives matter. End. Hard break. End. The Nespresso plant of Worcester Corporation, a Taiwan-based company that manufactures devices for many companies, including Apple, was ransacked by disgruntled employees on Saturday. Kolar District police officials said the employees were unhappy over delayed salaries. A probe has been initiated. Speaking to IndianExpress.com, Kolar SP said the employees demanded the payment pending for a few months and met the Human Resources Department officials on Saturday. After this, a few employees attacked the office and damaged the office premises and furniture. Yeah, a few. 2,000 apparently. The SP said the police have collected CCTV footage and will soon be arresting some suspects. Again, I want to fucking hear this from the fucking Apple employees. Is there a fucking fund me? Is there a fucking GoFundMe plan for the Indian employees that were arrested? And if there isn't, shut the fuck up forever. Shut the fuck up forever. You bastards. The plant is located 60 kilometers from Bengaluru. According to sources in the police, the employees have damaged furniture, computers, and factory equipment. Again, that's the worst thing when slaves rise up and they damage the master's property. They tried to set fire to 2 vehicles belonging to the company and damaged 4 other vehicles parked on the premises. However, it is learned that most of the damage was in the front office area and the factory floors were not damaged. They can still pick that cotton. They can still pick that cotton tomorrow. Wistron has a 43-acre plant in Naraspura industrial area into which an investment of Rs 3,000 crore. So a crore, I think, is 100,000. They have a different numbering system over there. Went in. About 10,000 employees are employed at the plant, which makes devices for multiple brands, including Apple. Most of the employees working at the plant are from Kolar, blah, 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 urban district. Wistron has another plant in Bengaluru's Pinya industrial area, exclusively manufacturing iPhones. Deputy Chief Minister, who also handles the IT biotechnology portfolios, tweeted that it's imperative nobody takes the law into their own hands. Right? It's imperative that the slaves don't rise up. There are appropriate forums to resolve such issues without indulging in this wanton violence, he said, condemning the violence. And again, notice the slave owners. Notice the power structure. They focus on the violence. They don't focus on some jackass getting paid $6.80 for a month's worth of work. And so on, blah, blah, added that strict action will be taken against errant elements, those upstart slaves, but also promised all workers' rights will be duly protected and their dues cleared. The minister has asked SB Kolar to ensure that all measures are taken to bring the situation under immediate control and identify the culprits. Strict action will be taken under the law against the errant elements. For Tim Cook. Right? You don't get blood money. You don't get blood money without spilling a shit ton of blood. Now do you, Tim Cook? Loud and proud gay man, CEO of a $2 trillion company, plastering Black Lives Matter over all of your products. And what the fuck's gonna happen to those Indians? The fuck's gonna happen to those people?